Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install ChatGPT in Microsoft Excel. The setup process is quick, simple, and only takes about a minute, so let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, make sure you're on the Home tab. Now head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on Add-ins. A small window will pop up. In the search bar, type ChatGPT. From the search results, look for the official ChatGPT add-in with the OpenAI logo. Once you find it, click the Add button to start the installation. After a few seconds, the add-in should finish installing. You'll then see an option that says Allow and Continue. Go ahead and click on it. Excel will now load the ChatGPT extension, and within a few moments, the sign-in page should appear on your screen. From here, simply sign in to your existing ChatGPT account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you can start using ChatGPT directly inside Microsoft Excel to analyze spreadsheets, explain formulas, generate data insights, fix errors, and much more. One thing to keep in mind is that ChatGPT for Excel currently works with paid plans only, so make sure your account has an active subscription. And that's it. ChatGPT is now installed and ready to use inside Microsoft Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more easy and practical tech tutorials.